Oh, naghahanap ka ng budget-friendly na PC cooling fan? I got you, my friend. Isang 3-in-1 at isa namang pang-additional lang kung kulang pa sa'yo. Ito ang Inplay Ice Tower 3-in-1 Kit Chassis Fan. It delivers optimal airflow just to keep your system cool. Meron itong easy installation and customizable RGB lighting. So ito, included ng remote para malaya kang makapili ng color sa lights. With guide fan leaf design, that is why it is less wind noise, long life hydraulic bearing, silent work, lower noise speed control system. Meron din itong 41 CFM airflow. Ito naman ang Inplay Ice 1 single fan additional chassis fan for Inplay Ice Tower. Ayan ha, may idea na kayo. Dito lang yan sa Go Gadgets PH. Huwag nyo lang titigan at lapitan. Bilhin nyo na. Mag-order lang kayo through online or pwede nyo kami bisitahin dito for the go!